Hey, DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel, your favorite space for home hacks, stylish transformations, and creative upcycling. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a fresh idea to brighten your space. Today's video is all about giving your shelves a personality boost without breaking the bank. We're diving into the creative world of custom shelf decor using recycled materials. Yes, the stuff you might toss in the bin can actually turn into jaw-dropping, envy-worthy decor pieces. Whether you're decorating a rustic kitchen shelf, a modern living room nook, or even your bathroom, I've got several easy-to-follow, eco-conscious and totally stylish DIYs you can complete with items you probably already have at home. So grab your glue guns, paintbrushes and some good vibes, because we're about to turn trash into treasure. You'll know I love a good mason jar project. They're just so versatile and remind me of lazy summer days with lemonade on the porch. But today we're taking those jars from the pantry to the shelves and giving them a touch of rustic elegance. First things first, gather up any glass jars you have. Mason jars, pickle jars, pasta sauce jars, they all work. Give them a good wash, peel off any labels and let them dry completely. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal touch. You can leave your jars clear for a clean, minimalist look or give them a quick coat of paint. I'm going for a farmhouse vibe today, so I'm using a little bit of leftover white chalk paint I had from another project. Just a light coat will do, and you can even sand down the edges afterwards for a distressed look. Next, grab some twine or jute rope, I love the texture it adds, and wrap it around the top of the jar. Secure it with a dab of hot glue. Now, if you're feeling fancy, tie on a little scrap of lace or ribbon for an extra touch of charm. And there you have it. Beautiful, rustic vases that are just begging for a bouquet of fresh flowers or some simple greenery. The best part, you've given these jars a new life and added a touch of handmade charm to your shelves. Next up, we're tackling two problems at once: organizing your books and adding a touch of greenery to your shelves. And the solution, DIY bookends that double as planters. It's easier than you think, I promise. Start by rummaging through your garage or workshop for any scrap wood. Those leftover pieces from other projects are perfect for this. Got some old thick book covers you don't mind upcycling? Those work great too. You'll want two pieces, roughly the same size and shape for your bookends. Now measure and cut your wood to your desired bookend size. Don't worry about being too precise. A little rustic charm never hurt anyone. Once you're happy with the shape, give the edges a quick sand to smooth them out. Here's where the upcycling magic happens again. Grab some small recycled containers, yogurt cups, tin cans, even those little plastic pots your herbs come in, and give them a good wash. These will be our planters. Use wood glue or hot glue to securely attach them to the front of your bookends. Time to add some personality. You can paint your bookends, stain them or leave them natural. It all depends on the look you're going for. I'm using a little bit of leftover wood stain to give mine a warm farmhouse feel. Once the stain is dry, it's time for the finishing touch, the plants. I love using faux succulents or air plants for this project because they require minimal care. Just pop them into your planters and voila, you've got beautiful, functional bookends that bring life and organization to your shelves. Chapter 3, Bottle Cap Mosaic Magic. Alright y'all, this next project is for those who love a little sparkle and shine. We're going to take those bottle caps you might normally toss in the recycling bin and transform them into eye-catching mosaic art. It's easier than it looks and the results are so much fun. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need a collection of bottle caps, metal or plastic, both work great, a sturdy base like a wooden board or a piece of cardboard, and some strong adhesive or hot glue. Oh, and don't forget your creativity. Now, if you want to add a pop of color to your mosaic, you can spray paint your bottle caps before you get started. I'm going with a metallic gold for a touch of glam, but you can use any color that complements your decor. Let the paint dry completely before moving on. Next, it's time to get creative with your design. You can create a random pattern, a geometric design, or even use a template or printed image as a guide. I'm going for a simple sunburst pattern today, but the possibilities are endless. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to start gluing. Apply a generous amount of adhesive to the back of each bottle cap and carefully press it onto your base. Continue gluing your bottle caps in place, working from the center outward if you're doing a sunburst design. And there you have it. a one-of-a-kind piece of art made entirely from recycled materials. To give your mosaic a finished look, you can mount it on a larger piece of wood or frame it. It's the perfect way to add a touch of personality and sparkle to your shelves. Chapter 4. Upcycled book stack art words to decorate by. For our final project today, we're giving those old hardback books a new lease on life. You know the ones, those beloved novels you can't bear to part with but don't necessarily read anymore. We're turning them into charming, personalized décor that adds a touch of literary flair to your shelves. Start by gathering a few old hardback books. The number of books you choose will depend on the height you want your stack to be. Don't worry if the covers are a little worn, that just adds to the charm. Now it's time to give those book spines a fresh coat of paint. White is always a classic choice, but feel free to get creative with color. I'm using a soft, muted green that complements the other colors in my living room. Apply 2 coats of paint, allowing each coat to dry completely before moving on. Here's where you can really personalize your book stack. Once the paint is dry, use stamps, markers, or even stencils to add words, quotes, or designs to the spines. You can spell out a word that inspires you, a favorite quote, or even the title of your favorite book. To add a final touch of rustic charm, wrap a piece of twine or a strip of fabric around your book stack and tie it in a bow. This will help to hold the books together and add a decorative element. And there you have it, a unique and personalized piece of decor that's sure to spark conversation. And there you have it, 4 super creative, budget-friendly, and totally unique DIY shelf decor projects using recycled materials. Whether you're working with old books, bottle caps, or tin cans, remember, the beauty of upcycling lies in giving forgotten things a second life and doing it with style. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. It helps others discover our creative community. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite project from today, or even better, tag us on Instagram with your DIY results. Want more eco-friendly craft ideas? Check out the playlist linked right here. Until next time, stay crafty, stay sustainable, and keep transforming your space, one recycled treasure at a time. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next DIY adventure.